14 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so you need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 4 goes into this one how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 1, bring down this 4, 14. 4 goes into 14 how many times? 4 goes into 14. Okay, 4 times 4, 4, 16, which is get us so 3 times, right? 3. 3 times 4, 12. 12, subtract 2. 0, 3 means 3. Remainder 2. This is the answer. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times, right? 5. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 3.5.